Hello. So, public expenditure is going to refer to the spending made by the government of a country on its various programs and projects. Now, the theories of public expenditure explore the reasons behind government spending and how it impacts an economy. So, some of these key theories. Hello. So there is Wagner's law of increasing state activity. This is produced by Adolf Wagner in the late 19th century. It's going to argue that an economy develops and grows, and the activities and functions of the government expand, leading to an increase in public expenditure. Then there's also the Wiseman-Peacock hypothesis. Hello. So this is proposed.